Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while, I've just been busy with school. So today we will be reviewing Orashare power bank. I'll be rating the packaging actually, it's pretty great. It's not really that bad, and there is also a pretty good amount of bubble wrap. As you can see in the video, it took me a while to open that bubble wrap up, but I will give it a 7 out of 10 because the box has damages. Like, I don't know how they got there, but it has some damages, you will see it later in the video. So as of currently, I'm a bit lazy to go professional. The model is OL100 Pro-102. Capacity is 100,000 milliamp hours or 370 watt hours. Input type C 1, 5 volts 2.4 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps at 18 watts. Type 2 type C2 is 5 volts 2 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps at 18 watts. These are the intake. And then output type C is 5 volts 2.4 amps, 9 volts 2.22 amps, 12 volts at 1.67 amps, PD 20 watts. And then here is USB 1, 5 volts 5 amps, and then there's also another 5 volts 4.5 amps. There's also another 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps, 22.5 watts. And then USB 2 through 5 is 2 through 6 is 5 volts to 2.1 amps. This also has QC 3.0 charging, which is fast charging. To me, the unboxing experience was nice and simple. Nothing too complicated, nothing too fancy. It's just unboxing. And the light, damn, that shit is bright. One time power outage did happen, and I did use that light. Damn, that shit is bright. You'll see later my phone having a hard time to not really render, or like you will see lines. I'm not sure if that's definitely my camera, but I do like the lights, and it's good for like on long trips. Like long trips. What else? School. Yeah, I did bring it to school, or I did. It's been a week for me. I did bring it to school, and I tested the capacity. You will see what that happens later. It's pretty great. That's pretty much all I gotta say about it. So the downsides are it is heavy, like not so heavy that you can't carry it. It's just like almost uncomfortably heavy, where a smaller power bank would just get you through the day. Would definitely, what's it called again? Definitely get you through. But for me, I bought this thing to I always keep forgetting to charge my phone. And what do you think? I would definitely forget to charge my power bank. So that is why I bought this thing. Some people might not need it. I recommend just buying a regular power bank, specifically if you remember to charge it. So yeah, this thing is only for people who forget or are busy or are always traveling. That's pretty much it. The cons is just pretty much the weight. That's all I've currently found out. Here we will be testing the lights. It is actually bright, very bright. You will see it in about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll probably put no sound because I am lazy to find music right now, especially like I am just fucking lazy right now. 1 week later. So it's been a week since I got this. It works. I did not charge it at all the entire week, so it's 56%. It's 56%. It works pretty well. I kind of recommend this, but it is a bit like big, very big, but still 10,000 mAh for a phone. Just your phone works pretty well.